Hi guys, so let me get this out of the shot, but hi guys. So it is Monday, November 4th, and I'm a bit stressed. So I just got back from Melbourne yesterday night. Hopefully my Melbourne vlog is already up by the time this is up, but basically I'm going to America for TOC on Wednesday. So Monday and Tuesday I have so many things to do. I have not studied for WC at all, like barely. And then I have a math test tomorrow and I need to pack again, and I just have so many things to do. I got back home from school like an hour and a half ago, as you can tell by my really ugly nightgown dress. What is this called in English? Because in Indonesian it's called like dusted. I don't really know what it's called in English, but basically I have a lot of shit to do, and I thought that vlogging it would help me do it because it would give me kind of an incentive to want to do this, because like, yeah, I'm kind of stressed and like kind of mentally breaking down right now, but hey, at least I'll get like a kind of cool video out of this. This video will take place over the next 2 days where I am at my most stressed. In total, for my 2 trips in Melbourne and America, I am skipping 2.5 weeks of school, which isn't great. A lot of my teachers are mad at me and I am procrastinating. So I'm gonna film this video to help me procrastinate and hopefully be productive. So first thing I need to do is to finish my bullet journal spread. I started my November spread during my free period today and I haven't done my weekly spread, so let's go do that. Finished doing my bullet journal spread, and now I have to try and export my video, but I don't really have enough storage on my laptop, so I need to like move stuff around to export it, because I need to export it and then compress it. But before I do that, I just got an email from the place I get my disposables developed. It's Istimewa Photo. It's not a really common place, so if you are in Jakarta and looking for a place to develop your photos for really cheap, you should go check them out. My driver dropped off the camera today and I really want to see how the photos turn out, film my little reaction. So I'm planning to do like a video where I like film each time I take the photo or whatever, like inspired by Hannah Herman. Hopefully that's already up. I don't know if this is focused or not. I'm just gonna go look at these photos and I'm excited. Okay, what? It says access denied. I'm gonna see if this works on my phone. I'm just so excited to see these photos, but for some reason I can't see them. Yep, still not working. Okay, I'll email them and hopefully we can get the reaction later, but for now I'm gonna do some footage deleting and all that to try and get this video exported, because I'm really excited for this video. I really like the editing in this, so hopefully that works out. Hi, so my video is now exporting, as you can probably hear by my overheating laptop, and while it's exporting I actually want to do some stuff. So I'm going to copy down my econ notes from my friend BB, who forgot to tell me we actually learned stuff in econ today, so thank you for that. Since I missed a whole week of class, I need to retake those notes, and I was gonna consider studying for math, but because my laptop is like overheating by exporting this video, I don't want to strain it too much. I just want to note that this video I'm uploading is a day late, and I usually don't like being late to upload because I'm really trying to keep this consistent schedule. But you know, I landed late last night. I literally finished editing it at like 9 p.m. or whatever. I just didn't have enough storage and I really didn't want to deal with that, so I decided to upload it today, because even if I uploaded it late last night, no one would watch it, and you know, you need to figure out your actually 6 p.m. is the best time for me to upload, but it is currently way past 6 p.m. Oh, sorry, that's my cat opening my bathroom door. So yeah, I'm gonna do some economics. And right now we're doing taxes and subsidies, so that's fun. Forever. Okay, so I just finished doing my economics notes. I kind of just cut off the time lapse at like 16 minutes. My video finished compressing, so I'm going to try to upload it now. I also just got my disposable photos from Australia resent, so hopefully you will get to see that too. Hi, I've moved to my bed because the Wi-Fi is better here, and hopefully this video will upload a bit faster. Let's see if these photos ended up working, because like this was a different disposable camera than I used in the Netherlands, so I don't really know how they turned out. Okay, I have like 3 different emails, and these are all Google Drive links. Wi-Fi is just so bad all the time. Okay, so I'm outside now. Hopefully these photos work. Okay, so I have a couple photos. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, the colors are the colors aren't that great. I used a Kodak camera, and my friend recently, well, in The Hague, Nabil also used a Kodak camera, and colors were a bit weird, but you know, I don't know how to feel about it. This camera, I don't think I'd be using it again. I guess I sent it all like on Google Drive, and access is denied again. I'm gonna tell the guys that it didn't work again. This video's actually uploading. It said it'll be done in about 23 minutes, so I'm gonna go make the thumbnail now, and don't really know how I want to do this thumbnail. I kind of have an idea, but I'm not really sure, so let's hope this idea works out. I just finished doing the thumbnail. Don't really know if I like how it looks, but I'm too lazy to figure it out, and I just realized I messed up something. I keep forgetting to post for thumbnails while I film the video, so I just have to like take a screenshot that like I look okay in, and also the lighting when I filmed my intro was so bad, so the quality is not that great, and it looks kind of ugly, and it's not my best work. It also looks like propaganda. Here's what it looks like. Yeah, you probably would have seen it already if you watched it, and it's kind of ugly. I'm sorry to Naomi and Angie for kind of making this thumbnail so ugly, even though your faces are so beautiful. Whatever, I'll just upload it and like write a caption and all that, and hopefully it's done soon. 11 more minutes, so hopefully it'll actually be done in those 11 minutes. I just got another email from the photo developing place. Let's hope it works this time and the photos turn out well. They made a Google Drive folder and spelt my name wrong, even though I sent the guy my name. Oh, they're cute. Some of them are cute. Some of them I kind of messed up. My finger was in the shot. What is this photo? There's this photo of my mom that I don't remember taking. Oh, I think Sophia took that photo. Some of them was just like way too bright outside. I have a couple photos on the beach, but I guess it was like really bright outside for that to work. Remember how I said I was making this video so I would be productive? I literally did the opposite of that. I've been procrastinating for hours studying for my math test, and it's about 10:30, and I know my parents are gonna force me to sleep soon, so I need to study. I still haven't studied WOC. I have so much to do, yet I don't do any of it. Literally, I've done all the least important stuff first. My calculator freaking broke, so I have to borrow my friend's calculator, and I need to learn how to use a whole new calculator. I don't want to do this, and I kind of just want to give up and accept my failure, but I probably shouldn't do that. So yeah, let's attempt to study. Hi, so I look like a mess again. Just got back from school. My mom gave me a bunch of stuff to pack. It is about 5:30 and I need to pack. I have some clothes in my luggage from Melbourne, but I'm not gonna bring all of it, so I need to figure that out. So I'm gonna make a packing list on my phone with my notes app. I finished making my list like 30 minutes, an hour ago, so I think I should stop procrastinating and start packing, even though I'm super lazy. Please excuse my really messy room. I'm gonna listen to some WC music while I pack, so I can at least do some kind of studying. So before I pack, I like to just lay out all the clothes I want to bring in my bed to figure out like outfits and stuff, even though I don't really know how to make cute winter outfits, because I really do not deal with cold weather. Hours later, and I actually mostly finished packing my luggage, but I still have like toiletries and stuff for culture fair that I haven't packed, and my luggage is already like full to the brim, and so I think I'm gonna switch to a larger luggage. This is my luggage now, and then I'm gonna switch it to this one, so hopefully everything fits and everything's underweight, because the weight is pretty low. So I got all of my clothes to fit into this one side of the luggage, It's like literally about to like rip at the seams, but at least now I have all the space to put all my other stuff, so that's great. I've made the decision to kind of just end this video here because I'm really tired and bored, and I'm just gonna pack and I'm not even gonna sit here do anything else, even though I really need to cramp. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Honestly, this video was like an excuse for me to try and be productive, but I ended up procrastinating the entire time as per usual. I don't know when the TOC vlogs will be up. Hopefully it'll be up after these, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, bye.
Roll the credits.